Hey good people, how is going? Today I'm going to make a video on something in English language. How to speak fluently within 4 weeks. How to speak fluently within 4 weeks, which is unbelievable, right? But I believe that if you follow some tricks and tips, then you can speak fluently within 4 weeks. But you have to be tenacious. You have to be tenacious. You need to maintain your consistency, because it's very important to have. And definitely you have to be obsessed with something, that you are determined to embrace your new journey. So here I'm going to share some tricks that can help you to speak fluently within 4 weeks. So the number one, practice with AI. Maybe you are looking a speaking partner, but it's very difficult to manage a speaking partner. So by what you can practice English. So I would say there is AI or ChatGPT. So you can use, when it comes to practicing speaking English, you can practice with AI, because AI help you according your needs. So you can practice with AI, but you have to remember, you have to keep your mind that you have to continue the practice, with persistent mind. You need to be tenacious. So you are just adamant that I'm pretty determined, I'm willing, and I will have to embrace my journey. I will have to enjoy my journey. So, and the second thing, to create a mind map. You just think in English. It's not important to translate in your own language, because it can ruin your learning process. So I suggest you try to create a mind map. You just think and write sentences, then speak loudly. That I get up early morning. After that, I just wash myself. I just refresh myself. Then I am going to the kitchen to make a tea for myself. After that, I would like to start my study. So like this, you just create your mind map and speak with yourself, and try to make sentences by your activities. And here's point number 3. You can use the juggling techniques, which means that you can allocate your entire day for a particular portion. Like for speaking, you can spend only 30 minutes or 1 hour, and for writing you can use 30 minutes, 1 hour. Reading, writing, listening, because listening is important, crucial, because listening can help you to speak properly. So use the juggling techniques to allocate your time, and to divide your whole modules with a particular portion. And fourth number, practice storytelling with pictures. Like take a pictures and then you try to depict it. You try to describe the whole things in a picture. Like take a picture that a beautiful house, a fascinating river view, and there are some trees, and there are 2 boys. They are just making conversation. You just take a picture and try to describe the whole things in a picture in your way. Because storytelling can help you, can associate you to speak properly within 4 weeks. If you follow those things in a proper way and maintaining your consistency, then those things can help you. And the last one is that use the repetition technique. You can repeat all of the things that you learn in a day. At the end of the day, maybe at night, you can repeat all things that you have learned, that you have done throughout the day, because your repetition approaches make your mind much more confident, and you can feel that you can make a belief that yeah, you are at the right position, so that you have the ability, you have the potential ability to speak within a few weeks, within 4 weeks. So if you follow those things properly, and then definitely within 4 weeks you can be able to speak properly. Okay, so just follow those things and maintain your regularity. You have to be regular, you have to be pertinacious to be fluent in English language. So thank you so much.